So you see this part right here? Watch. Oh,
Yeah.
right here. I'm gonna loosen this up. This right here. Let me see if I can grab it. There.
Nice.
So you see how that's loose now? See this?
Yeah, I see how it's
Yeah.
loose.
Okay, so I'm taking it off.
There you go.
Once I take it off completely, it's gonna start. Watch out, okay?
Yeah.
So you don't get away.
There it is. So it'll take out all the water.
Yeah. I just got stuck there. Well, we can let it drain. So all the water's gonna just come out. We'll let it come out.
Alright.
And then that's it. Once it's all out, you just close it back up. And then your mom's gonna buy a cover for it.
Okay.
They sell these like covers. All you gotta do is just put it and then you tighten it on the corners. So I'll tell her which one to buy, and then that's the easy part.
Okay.
It's because it's spinning on top. So. Give me one of those silver ones, Brandon. The ones we were using right now. Those silver pliers.
Yeah.
Give me one, please. I can grab it. There. Okay. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Look, this is what goes in and comes out.
Alright.
Right?
Yeah.
And then this thing, it goes up and down. Look, once I push it up, it's gonna come out fully. You ready?
Oh, yep.
There it is. Ah!
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. That's where the hole goes in.